Hi, just making a quick video now just to show you a bit of a process that I do to get feedback from you, whether I'm doing something not as good as I could be, and to share with you in case I'm doing something that you would find useful. So I brought up here online arbitrage deals. It's a service that I use that bring up great deals every day. And so I just come here, I look at the product. Basically I'm filtering by shop. So if there are particular stores that are near you, like I have certain well-known brands, I can come here before I go out, just see, okay, what stores have got good deals right now. So I look at one of these sheets, I see the BuyBotPro analysis, it says that I'm eligible, what sort of sales. So I think, okay, 60% ROI or 59%, that's decent. It makes a few sales, not a lot, but seems regular. Not many sales. Not many competitors are on the listing. The first one's at $15.99, which is higher than the recommended price. So yeah, the next sort of direct FBA competitor to me is at nearly £16. So this looks like something I could do a few of. And again, it tells you here where to go, what code to use to get 25% off the price, which is probably why it's making it such a good deal. And so what I would do is I would right click on the store, copy that address. This is just so that for my records I know where to go source this from. And then I'd click on the Amazon link, and that will take me to the page. And while that page is loading, BuyBotPro is busy populating the buy price, the sell price, and all those cool stats. And then in the Google Sheets section, I would paste that link that I just copied, which is where to source this from, and click the little button, and then it says copied that to my Google Sheets. I can now scroll down. Yeah, look, only 3 sellers on there, and they're all over £15. So this is not a bad little product. So then I scroll down, I open up the VA toolbox, click submit deal sheet, and then finish. So my VAs could be doing this, but actually I use this myself as well. And then once that's done, I can go double check in the VA management bit. Okay, that product's there, the details are there, and if I click on Google Sheets, I can find it's been added to the Google Sheet. So all good. There's a link to the shop, there's a link to the Amazon listing, there's an indication of the ROI, the profit, and the buy and sell price. So all nice and easy. Looked at it, saw the analysis, went and checked it, clicked a couple of buttons, and it's now in a nice spreadsheet for my records. Okay, hope that's useful. Take care.